In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find Wise transaction history. If you've ever needed to quickly check a payment, confirm a transfer, or review your recent activity in Wise, this walkthrough will show you exactly where to look and what to expect using the mobile app. Start by opening the Wise app on your phone. Give it a moment to load your account. Wise, previously known as TransferWise, keeps your activity close at hand so you won't need to dig through complicated menus. Having a stable internet connection helps the app refresh your most recent transactions right away. Once the app is open, head to the home screen. Depending on your device and app version, you may land on home automatically. If not, look for the home option in the bottom navigation bar. It's typically labeled home and often represented by a small house icon. Tapping home ensures you're in the main overview, where the most important snapshots of your account live. On the home screen, look for the transactions section. It usually appears near the top or midway down the page, showing a short list of your most recent activity, things like card payments, transfers, and balance top-ups. Next to that mini list, you'll see a link or button labeled See All. Tap See All to open the full transaction history. After you tap See All, you'll be taken to a complete chronological list of your activity. This view makes it easy to scan dates, amounts, currencies, and statuses at a glance. You'll typically see whether a transaction is completed, pending, or processing. If you handle multiple currencies, you'll notice each entry clearly marked with its currency and amount, which helps you keep everything organized. If the See All option isn't immediately visible, make sure you're truly on the home screen, then scroll a little to bring the transactions area into view. Some app layouts place it slightly lower on the page. If your list looks out of date, a quick refresh of the screen can help it update with the latest entries. It also helps to keep your app updated so you always have the most recent interface and performance improvements. That's all there is to it. Open the Wise app on your mobile device, go to Home, and tap See All in the Transactions section. With those simple actions, you'll have a clear, organized view of your entire transaction history, so you can verify payments, track transfers, and stay on top of your spending with confidence.